Someone in the last mailbag episode asked if we would be bringing any Pumas to the channel. I'd like to say that the wait is officially over. Greetings, everyone. Before I even get into the review, I want to give a special thank you to each and every one of you. It's been a long journey, but we're finally at 1,000 subscribers. That is crazy, but you know what that means. It is giveaway time. So in the comment section, comment your Instagram handle, what city you've been watching these videos from, and a pair of sneakers that I reviewed on this channel that you want to own. You guys have until August 31st, just because I want to let as many people join in as possible, to get your comments in. And on September 1st, I'm going to take all of those names, put them into a random name generator, and we will see who our latest winners for the sneaker giveaway are. Okay, now that we've got that out the way, shout out to J. Cole, because today we're talking about the Puma RS Dreamer 2, the White Jointz. Man, I'm so proud of Cole. He's a certified hooper at this point. And he has his own signature shoes, multiple silhouettes. And this is all a side hustle for him. Now this pair released on July 30th for a retail price of $130 US. But let's jump right into the features of the RS Dreamer 2. You have a smooth white base on the sneaker, mostly composed of leather. There's a bunch of different overlays and panels on the RS Dreamers though, so you do have some tonal suede as well as some breathable mesh. On the tongue and moving toward that lateral side, you can see a little bit of that mesh, allowing your foot to get some air. At the top of the tongue, you have this cream colored pull tab that reads RSD. Does anyone know what the RS stands for? Richard Simmons, Raph Simmons, Rodney Stuckey, Royal Sushi, Real Housewives of Stanford. There's this cool synthetic layer on the lateral side with a shoelace running through it. I wonder if that's connected with the other shoelace portion in the back. Does that tighten the shoe? Anyway, having the lace be in those unconventional places is really cool. We've seen J. Cole wear this pair on the cover of Slam magazine, and we've also seen Diggins-Smith playing in these at the Tokyo Olympics. That alone is already a really good run for this sneaker, but I'm sure you will be seeing this a lot in the upcoming NBA season. At the rear of the sneaker, you have a standard white pull tab to help you get your foot in and out of the shoe. And below that, you can see that Dreamer logo, which is the word Dreamer written inside of a cloud. The midsole of the RS Dreamer 2 is very similar to that of the Dreamer 1, or just the Dreamer, and it's extremely soft. Like, you can push all the way in there. There's some linear grooves, rectangular tacks, and you have that white Puma logo streaking all the way through. Puma has a great logo. It's about as close to a Nike symbol as you can get without it being Nike. But then we slap it over to the outsole. You absolutely have to love a gum outsole. I can hear some of you guys through the TV, and I agree, they could have gone with an all white sneaker, white outsole, but I love that they decided to add a little splash of color and make the outsole gum. The traction design is identical to the predecessor, almost like a leaf design on the bottom. There are a lot of traction grooves on this sneaker, and you even have some of that traction extending to the medial side. So if your foot ever plants on the medial side, or if you get crossed up and you need to recover really quickly, this shoe definitely assists you in doing that. So we've seen all the features of the Puma RS Dreamer 2, the White Jointz. Now it's time to slap these on foot and see what they really look like.
Taking a turn, good.
Get up, I see the clouds from my window. I pray the sun gon' shine this way. And where I go is the wind blow. Mama, your son gon' find
These are definitely some basketball shoes. I wouldn't wear these casually, but I would certainly lace these up to hoop in them. The fit is exact for me. Going true to size, when I put these on, my foot is right there at the tip of the shoe. And I like snug basketball shoes, just knowing that my foot is fully secure in there and not moving around. But if you like having some extra room at the toe, maybe you like to double up your socks when you're playing basketball, I would definitely say to go up a half size. And if you have wider feet, definitely go up at least a half size. While wearing these, you can definitely feel how soft and bouncy that sole is, and the shoe really hugs around your foot, providing that stability. Yeah, so I rate these as a basketball shoe. Cole and Puma know what they're doing. I would watch the NBA games and I would wonder, how do Cole and Puma get so many guys wearing the RS Dreamers, but after finally putting them on foot, it all makes sense. These feel great. Okay, so those were the Puma RS Dreamer 2, the White Jointz. Let me know what you guys thought of those. Did anyone else cop a pair? Also, quick reminder, we're doing another sneaker giveaway. In the comment section, drop your Instagram, the city you're from, and a sneaker that I've reviewed on this channel that you want to own. You can do this as many times as you want if you want it to be more visible, but I do promise I will be checking the comments all the time, and I will be taking those names, adding them to a spreadsheet, and then at the end putting them in a random name generator. But if you want to keep commenting that information, by all means be my guest. It only helps out the channel. You can even do it on the next video, and I'll be selecting the winners on September 1st. Thank you guys for tuning in. Always great seeing you. Remember to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and if you made it to this point in the video, comment Cole World. See you on the next one. Peace.